Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to change or update your age in CapCut. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact steps for making sure your age is listed correctly on your profile, which can help personalize your experience and keep your account information accurate. Let's jump right in. First off, go ahead and open CapCut on your device. Whether you're using your phone or tablet, just look for the CapCut icon, usually a simple black and white design. Tap to open it up and wait for it to load. If it takes a few seconds, that's perfectly normal, especially if it's your first time opening the app for the day. Patience is key here. Once CapCut is open, you'll notice the main dashboard where you usually create and edit your videos. But since we want to update your age, we need to move over to your profile settings. Look around for the user icon. This is usually an outline of a person, and it's typically found either in the bottom right or top corner of the screen, depending on your device or the app version. Give it a tap. This icon is like the front door to your personal space within the app. As soon as you've tapped the user icon, you'll see a menu with different options for managing your account and settings. Now, we're looking for the View Profile button. Sometimes this is labeled plainly, other times it might just be your username or a little avatar. Click on View Profile. Think of this as peeking into your digital ID card where all your important info lives. Next up, you'll find an Edit Profile option. This is usually a button or a pencil icon. Click on Edit Profile. This section lets you change information like your display name, bio, and sometimes your profile photo. Don't worry if you see lots of options. That just means CapCut gives you lots of freedom to personalize. Now, for updating your age, we're going to use the bio section. It's sort of like a mini introduction about yourself that other users can see. Even though CapCut doesn't have a dedicated field for age, the bio gives you flexibility. Here, just type your age right into the bio so it's clear and visible. For example, you can write age 20. Feel free to stylize it how you wish, or add other details you want others to know about you. It's a practical workaround if you want people to see your age at a glance. Once you're happy with what you've typed, look for the Save button. Sometimes it's at the top, sometimes at the bottom of the edit page. Tap Save to make sure all your changes are locked in. This step makes your update official, so don't skip it. Sometimes it takes a moment for changes to sync, so if you don't see it update right away, just close and reopen your profile. And that's it. You've successfully updated your age in CapCut. Going through these steps not only helps with keeping your profile information accurate, but it also shows off a bit of your personality to the CapCut community. If you ever want to tweak it again, just follow these same easy steps. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Got any questions or is something not working quite right? Drop me a comment below. I read everyone and I'm here to help. And if you want more simple, step-by-step guides like this, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.